Friends, in this video, I will show how to uninstall Office from your Windows laptop. So, simple and basic way. Click on Start, then Settings, and here click on Apps, then here Installed Apps. Now, search or scroll down and find out Office. Click on this three dot, then Uninstall. Then again click on Uninstall. It will ask permission, so click on Yes. Then Uninstall. Now wait for a few seconds or few minutes till this process will be complete. So this way you can uninstall and remove Office from your Windows system. Thanks for watching, and if this method not work or you are facing error or problem, so visit description video. There is another solution to remove completely if you are not able to uninstall. So thanks again. Share, like and subscribe this channel.